are moving out here in Wyoming, if you remember.
Yeah, I do.
And we could have a steak dinner if you want. Unless you have another request. You think tires ever feel like maybe you're hitting them a little too hard? Like, ow, buddy, why you always gotta beat me up? I pinched my thumb between the thumper and the tire. Tragedy. Tragic. All right, today's game plan. Try not to die. Does that sound good?
Fight to survive. Beyblade, part of a Beyblade.
Let's make it somewhere between Sydney and Cheyenne. Ideally Cheyenne, because Cheyenne has a steakhouse and meat is good.
Meat is the best.
Meat is the best. We're en route, guys, from Augusta, Wisconsin. We're headed to Grantsville, Utah. We have a load of baked beans in the trailer. Oh, yeah. Same deal as yesterday. I got to go into the actual store, get him to turn on the pump. Such a pain in the butt. Martin, why do you do this to me? Why do you make me come fuel at Quick Trips and Quick Stars? DeSoto, Iowa. We're putting 100 gallons in the truck. The plan is right now, put 100 in. That's going to get us to Cheyenne, and then we're going to fill it up completely in Cheyenne, which probably won't do today. It'll probably be tomorrow morning. Don't ask me why. It's just how we do things. At least how I get to do things. And yeah, it is what it is. But we're gonna sit here and wait. I got a horse trailer behind me. I know he wants to get up here and get fuel. He's gonna have to wait though, because I gotta watch this pump to turn it off, and I gotta wash my windows. Then I'll pull forward. So we're at 80 gallons. Oh! We got 101. We did not get the bypass on this one. We're in Iowa. They've already picked a truck out to mess with him. Let's hope we can get through this. Maybe I should have ran it. That was just a good old-fashioned time waster. Small bodies means small bladders. We're at the trucker-only rest area here in Nebraska. Don't ask me the mile number. I don't know. I used to pay attention to mile markers. Not so much anymore.
What happened to that?
Are you actually reading that?
Yeah.
Good. You can tell me what all that says.
I won't remember.
You won't remember? Gotcha. To be 8 again. The trip is going well so far. Truck is performing adequately. No, it's doing better than that. It's performing great. My ELD says that we will not make it to the Sap Brothers. However, I think if I do another 30-minute break, what are you doing? If I do another 30-minute break, which I don't want to do because technically I did one when I was getting fuel, but that was probably one too early. I should get enough time where we could get to the Sap Brothers. But I got to go consult with that device that keeps track of what I'm doing and see if that's actually the case or not. I think it is, but let's walk around the truck, make sure everything's good. Then we'll consult with that electronic logging device.
Summon the Titanic.
Yeah, you're fun. Why you gotta do that? Look at that. Appreciate ya. Thanks, bud. They said, get stall mats. It'll be fun. Get stall mats, they said. You know where I'm going with this. It's not fun. This is stupid. So as suspected, that break did not count. We have 5 hours, 7 minutes left until we need to take another break. And after that other break has been completed, we will get a total of, well, counting now. If we took the break right now, not like drive and then get this on top of it.
2 kitties.
6 hours, 35 minutes left to drive during my shift today. That's a better way to put it. So, we'll basically get an hour and a half back after we take this break. So we'll just take the break. We've already been here for like 15 minutes and might as well. So I think my son is making the truck stinky. You sure don't want to go back in the bathroom?
I'm fine.
I absolutely hate dirt parking lots because my truck, it might as well be named Pigpen, because without fail, even with the whole HVAC system turned off, no air conditioning, without fail, every stinking time those front tires hit dirt, fan goes on full blast. Big old dust cloud all around this truck, just like Pigpen. Yeah, you're Pigpen truck. We're at Apple Barrel here at the Sap Bros. And I already forgot where we're at, what the town is.
Are you filming me?
Yes.
This is a little bit. What is it?
I don't think I'm gonna be able to eat all that. How about you? You gonna be able to eat all yours?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
Well, you can eat mine too.
I hope so.
All right, we're filling up here. As much as I'd like to stop for the night and just be done, we can't. All right, keep on going. Sydney, maybe. I don't know. Maybe the TA in Wyoming. We got time. We'll figure it out.
We're going to a bathroom.
Who needed the bathroom though?
Me.
Yeah.
But I don't know what these ancient stuff are. They look ancient. I'm kind of confused why there's like ancient looking things. Oh, look. It says.
The Nebraskan Gateway, one of 10 sculptures commissioned as part of Nebraska's celebration of the nation's bicentennial. Okay.
We ate breakfast when it's like dinner time. And the breakfast was delicious. Right? Tell them about it.
It was deliciously overpriced. I don't know. Mine wasn't that great, but I'm apparently picky. I think it was about $10 more than it should have costed though. Yours was good.
Like mine was amazing.
You're in these storms like this because every time the lightning strikes you hear it on the CB radio. I took a quick glance at the radar and we're in the thick of it right now. A lot of these four-wheelers are kind of annoying though. They're all driving with their flashers on and then they're going really slow, and then when you try to pass them then they of course floor it. I think we have a pretty strong headwind because I've literally had my truck floored for quite a while. And it's a struggle to do even 65 right now. But yeah, these four-wheelers, I don't know, they're fun.
I go straight from the bank, gassing up the tank, cranking up the radio, playing old Hank. It ain't that long till I'm back at the farm. I'm pulling up the truck down at the dock. It's time to do some cruising, baby, get a little stuck. It's a Saturday joyride, Percy Feast is the spot to take the blues away. We're on a boat, we're feeling fine, drinking Tennessee whiskey, a big blue sky. We're going up, we're coming down. There's a party on the water, it's a hell of a time. We're on a boat, we're killing time in our own honky tonk with a bottle of wine. We're going up, we're coming down. Cheers to feeling alright. It's a hell of a time. A hell of a time. Yeah, we're chilling out here. Ladies in the rear, our feet in the water. Top disappears, drinking Malibu Patron or a beer in a cup. Girl, I can hook you up. We all get to dance and I get to chancing, kissing that country girl, romancing a whole lot of love, bumping out of the bar. Yeah, we're on the phone.
Hi. So, we forgot to bring a hoodie for him.
And it's raining.
I forgot to bring my tennis shoes, my sneakers, my Birks, my Birkenstock Bens. And it's raining. I was like, I hope it don't rain or get cold. Might have to break the cardinal rule and put socks on with these sandals. My Jesus shoes are not flip-flops. We went over this, guys. But yeah, we're here at Cabela's, Sidney, Nebraska. We are going to take our 10 here. Actually, right now we're walking into Cabela's. Yeah, I mean, we'll buy him a jacket. We'll see. But we're mostly going in here so we can use the restroom. Because they don't got porta potties unless you want to go in the dumpster.
Are you filming?
How do you get in there?
The ones that are right here,
Yup.
and then the two.
Well, that was quick. Let's see. Well, how about that? Sidney, Nebraska.
And I
That's
got.
pretty awesome.
And look,
Look, that's what it did.
it gave
It's
me
awesome.
that.
All right, you tell her thank you again.
Thank you.
Oh my gosh, guys. I was seriously freaking out for a second. I remembered that I parked next to a Kenworth, right? So I was like, oh, there's the Kenworth I parked next to, because I also knew I parked next to a pole. And I'm like, that's not my truck. Did somebody steal my truck? And I was like about ready to have a flippin' heart attack. But I saw just the slightest little red poking out of this truck over here. And I do believe, I mean, I hope so, that is my truck. And we're parked next to a Kenworth still. I just had the colors wrong because I guess I'm a very forgetful person. All right, not good light. I'm sorry. Let's see, maybe this will help. Let's try this light. Oh, wrong light. That light. Maybe. Yeah, I guess. I don't know. That makes it better, but then I have to hold my hand up here. So we got Robert a jacket, a Columbia jacket. It's really nice. Surprisingly, it's only $30, which, I mean, that actually really surprised me because Columbia and the adult sizing, it's not that cheap. If you guys noticed in there, I bought all their big hunks. And if you're wondering why, I read an article that the factory that makes these, and also the Abba Dabba, which I've never tried, candy bar, has put a notice in the state of California that they are closing down, going out of business. I don't think they've sold out. I think they're just going out of business. And California law, if you have a certain amount of employees, you need to notify them in advance that, hey, you're not going to have a job soon. So they did the proper filing, so kudos to them. But yeah, it made the news that they are going out of business, and I'm feeling like you ain't gonna get big hunks no more. Now, if you're Generation X, like me, chances are good you grew up on these. You maybe even broke a tooth on these. So I had a mission of, I want to go out, I'm gonna stock up on big hunks. I know, it's probably silly. I don't even know if I'll ever eat all these, but it just makes me feel better knowing that I have them. And yeah, the lady at the Cabela's, he wanted to get one of the pennies from the penny machine. I said, I don't have my purse on me because I don't carry my purse if I can help it. I usually do everything with Apple Pay, and those penny machines don't take Apple Pay. So she took it upon herself to go find 51 cents so Robert could get the penny, and that was really sweet of her. So,
And I said thank you twice.
he did say thank you twice. So we have lightning show happening right now. That's pretty cool. Hopefully that's the extent of it. We are heavy though. Martin seems to think that if a tornado was to come, it won't move us. I tend to disagree. Maybe some of you have been in a tornado though, and you know. Did you hear that?
Yeah.
That storm is right above us. Goodness, that is some long thunder. My choices for truck stops tomorrow, honestly, none of them are my favorite. But we'll talk about that tomorrow.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. I've been on the flex since flex zone.